Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Okay, time for foundations. So in Unit 10, we have been blending words with 5 sounds, and we noticed that those words have blends. And we know that we've already learned about a word ending called suffix s when you add s to a word. So now this week for Unit 10, we're going to continue reading these words with a suffix. Now, we've already learned about suffix s. Suffix s, you can add on to the end of a word like this. So we have bug, but then when we add the s, we have bugs. So it becomes more than one bug. Okay, this week we're going to learn about 2 other word endings, 2 new suffixes. So here's one of them, suffix ed. Now, if you add ed to the end of a word, it means that something already happened. For example, today I can plant in my yard. If I add suffix ed to the word plant, then it says planted. And I wrote yesterday because that means I already did it. For example, yesterday I planted flowers in my yard. Okay, and also ed can sound like ed. Sometimes it can even sound like id. Now, the last suffix we're going to learn about is suffix ing. Now, if you add ing to a word, that's making it an action word. It is something that is happening now. So, this word says plant, and then when I add the suffix ing, planting. I am planting the flowers right now, right? But that's not really true for what I'm doing. I am making a video right now. So my action word with suffix ing was making in that sentence. So let's practice making some words with the suffixes. Here's the first word, think. Let's tap it. Ink, think. Let's make the word think. So we have ink. Now, we're not going to add ed to this word. We're going to add the suffix ing. So think ing. So I'm going to add ing. So now the word says, read it with me, thinking, thinking. So remember, ing, that is happening now. For example, we can think of a sentence. I am thinking about my mom. That means I'm thinking about her right now. All right, let's put this back and try another word. Next word is twist. Let's tap it. Tap it with me. Twist. Let's make the word twist. So we have and we don't have another T, so I can write it. That is the word twist. Now, if I want to say that yesterday I twisted my arm, I can add my ed. So now, here is the word twist. Read it with me. Twist. But yesterday is something I already did. Twisted. So here the ed kind of says id. We can also make twist ing. So we can add our ing. So now it says twist ing. Twisting. All right, let's put twist away. TWIS. And I already erased my T. Okay, last one. Let's make the word rent. Tap it with me. Rent. Now, we'll first make rent. So, T. Now I want my word to say rented. Like I rented an apartment yesterday. I already did it. I can add ed. So now read the word with me. Rented, rented. Or if I'm going to look for an apartment today and I decide to rent the apartment today, we can put renting. So I can add ing. That is happening now. I am renting an apartment right now. So we have renting, renting. Okay, boys and girls. So in today's Foundations, there is a practice sheet. You do not need to submit the practice sheet. On Monday, we don't submit, but you should definitely still practice reading the words. Some of them have 5 sounds, some of them don't, and adding ed or ing to them. So they did the first one for you like we did. Rent, rented, renting. Let's do the next one. Grunt. So I would just trace the word grunt, and then I would add the ed for grunted and the ing for grunting. So I added the ed to show you. Same thing, you just read the word, you trace it, then you add ed to the word, and then you add ing to the word. All right, you can do it. Have fun. See you tomorrow.